StoryJumper is a writing tool designed for use in education. Specifically, it's for creating, as the name suggests, stories where there's a layout of blank pages or, in some cases, templates that allows students to add texts in different fonts and colours, but also to add images, and they can pick these from a library, they can resize them, reshape them. And what's interesting here is that it's not just writing a story, but sometimes the images can help to manipulate or direct how the story develops. So it's a different way of writing for students, and it allows them to explore working digitally, but also this outputs digitally and physically. So you can actually have a published physical book at the end of this process. And there's a library there on the website which allows you to read other people's works, but it also allows students to sell their book, something that might be appealing to parents. This does start from quite a young age as well, from sort of grade 1 upwards. So you can practice with templates, allowing the younger child perhaps to fill in sections and create the stories that way. And then you could build up to, ultimately, when older children are using it, just having a blank slate and letting them fill in as they need. And they can upload their own media as well, so it allows them to be very creative. And it's free to use, so worth giving a go.